We will tell you the 10 tips that will make you rich from nothing. Watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Number 1. Engage in consistent investment practices. A prevalent characteristic among individuals who achieve wealth from modest beginnings is their commitment to consistent investing. Generating investment income is essential for wealth accumulation. Even a modest initial investment can benefit from the effects of time and compound interest, facilitating significant wealth accumulation over the long term. Exchange-traded funds ETFs, stocks, mutual funds, and money market accounts represent various avenues through which individuals seek to generate passive income. The true advantage arises from the effects of compound interest. For instance, an investment of $250 per month over a 30-year period at an estimated interest rate of 7% would yield a total of over $290,000 at the conclusion of the investment term. This scenario assumes a consistent monthly contribution of $250 without any increase over time. Investing $500 monthly over a 30-year period will result in a total exceeding $500,000. Increased diligence in investment correlates positively with the likelihood of achieving wealth from minimal initial resources. Additionally, it is possible to invest in these income-generating assets through tax-efficient methods. A Roth or traditional IRA serves as a valuable financial tool. Your employer may provide a 401k matching program, which represents an opportunity for additional financial benefit if utilized effectively. Number 2. Eliminate debt. Eliminating high-interest debt, such as credit card bills, medical expenses, and personal loans, is a crucial step toward achieving wealth. Increasing monthly savings and allocating the surplus towards monthly payments constitutes an effective initial strategy. Individuals frequently employ debt repayment strategies such as the avalanche and snowball methods to manage their obligations. Individuals with over $15,000 in high-interest debt may consider the option of debt consolidation. Organizations such as Clear Own Advantage facilitate the reduction of interest payments and streamline financial obligations by consolidating significant debts. While addressing existing balances, it is essential to refrain from accumulating additional debt in other areas. Consider undertaking a no-spend challenge for the month or identifying additional methods to reduce your budget. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to know more financial updates and tips daily. Number 3. Expand your revenue streams. What are the primary methods through which individuals accumulate wealth? Multiple income sources frequently provide the solution. The common assertion is that the typical millionaire possesses 7 or more sources of income. This statement is not universally applicable. Most wealthy individuals possess multiple income streams that facilitate diversification and the acceleration of their wealth. Prominent income streams encompass the initiation of a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. Income-focused investing transitioning to online freelancing. Number 4. Adhere to a financial plan. Is your outgoing income consistently greater than your incoming income? Are you aware of your monthly expenditures? Without an understanding of monthly expenditures, achieving wealth becomes unattainable. The creation of a budget to monitor expenses and mitigate overspending is essential. Applications such as Rocket Money facilitate this process significantly. The system automatically monitors income and expenditures, identifying potential areas of excessive spending. Additionally, it can assist in identifying costly subscriptions or bills that may warrant renegotiation. Number 5. Establish passive income streams. The significance of establishing multiple income streams for wealth accumulation from a baseline of 0 has been previously discussed. This preference for passive income over active income is well-founded. Passive income sources enable earnings to be generated automatically. This allows for concentration on higher-paying active income sources while capital is effectively utilized. Various passive income opportunities include car sharing, room rentals, vending machine ownership, teaching, and the creation of online lessons. Number 6. Establish an emergency fund. A recent study by U.S. News indicates that only 44% of Americans are capable of managing an emergency expense of $1,000. Emergency expenses frequently rise. It may involve the malfunction of your vehicle or the failure of your water heater. In the absence of an emergency fund, individuals must depend on credit cards, cash advance applications, or personal loans to meet their financial obligations. This illustrates the mechanisms by which individuals increasingly accumulate debt. Consequently, it is advisable to maintain an emergency fund equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It is advisable to allocate your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. Current offers an annual percentage yield APY of 4% on deposits up to $6,000, with no associated bank fees. It is advisable to examine the savings account options provided by your current financial institution. Number 7. Invest in new skills. Investing in oneself is often regarded as one of the most beneficial financial decisions. Acquiring new skills enhances employability and facilitates access to higher-paying positions. Additionally, acquiring new skills can effectively facilitate the initiation of a side venture. Numerous skills can be marketed online as well. Engaging in freelancing allows individuals to diversify their income streams, potentially leading to significant financial success. Numerous fields are available for consideration, including freelance writing, designing graphics, video editing, digital marketing, website design, programming, remote assistant work, and proofreading and editing. It is essential to cultivate a growth-oriented mindset and to consistently invest in personal development. This may involve purchasing courses, enrolling in diploma programs, or acquiring new skills through free resources such as YouTube. Numerous options exist, however, achieving wealth from a position of scarcity necessitates personal development. Number 8. Enhance frugality and mitigate lifestyle inflation. Warren Buffett exemplifies frugality in his financial practices. This multi-billionaire is recognized for residing in a modest home, operating an older vehicle, and dining at McDonald's. Frugality is a prevalent characteristic among millionaires and affluent individuals. Saving more money enables greater investment opportunities, thereby facilitating the accumulation of substantial wealth. Numerous strategies exist for adopting a more frugal lifestyle. Preparing one's own meals, utilizing a pre-owned vehicle, reducing unnecessary entertainment expenditures, and eliminating detrimental habits are several illustrative examples. Utilizing reward applications can facilitate financial savings, relocating to areas with a lower cost of living, and prioritizing minimalism in material possessions. Number 9. Establish connections and seek mentorship. The inquiry into wealth accumulation may be addressed through an examination of one's social associations. Networking serves as an effective method for discovering new opportunities and acquiring knowledge from peers. Securing a mentor with relevant experience can provide invaluable guidance. Participation in a chamber of commerce, a young professionals group, or similar networking organizations can facilitate the discovery of connections and opportunities within your locality. Networking can also be conducted online through platforms such as LinkedIn and other professional applications that emphasize particular skills and industries. Number 10. Enhance tax efficiency. Enhancing tax efficiency is a strategy employed by individuals to accumulate wealth. Although it may not be necessary to address this initially, minimizing your tax liability is significant for long-term financial planning. Investing in tax-advantaged accounts represents a prudent initial strategy. Consulting an experienced tax advisor or investments advisor may provide tailored guidance for your specific circumstances. Obtain customized investment guidance from a certified financial planner via Fruitful. Engage in tailored investment portfolios, participate in video consultations with your advisor, and achieve a 5% annual percentage yield on your savings. Please subscribe to our channel if you really want to become rich by strengthening your financial background.